Hi guys, welcome. Let's change wallpaper for this video. The thing is that we're going to perfect the ArcoLinux-Nemesis script. There's no much fun than perfecting the scripts after you do a clean installation of any distro. Then you run your scripts, and that's the fun with the ArcoLinux-Nemesis script. That's what I run after a clean install. Now, this is on the github.com/ericdubois/ArcoLinux-Nemesis, so you can get it immediately. When I use open Sublime, it's there, right? ArcoLinux-Nemesis, all of it, it's there. Last time I made a video about Cinnamon, and I do realize that if we, ArcoLinux, build the Cinnamon ISO, that we've noticed that we're missing kind of some packages. So Arch says use this and this and that to install Cinnamon, so the sudo pacman -s cinnamon is a group package. What we say is, well, yeah, but also this. So this is coming from Arch, but many of these things are coming from AWAR. We've pre-built it, and then we want that as well on the ISO. So what are we missing? And what if I am on Arch and I want to install Cinnamon as a choice? Then I have to remember also that this is a file I need, that's a file that I need, that's a file that I need, and so on. Why should I remember? So we're going to get 110 maybe, install ArcoLinux software, since it's going from the ArcoLinux repos. In here, so let's get copy paste of these guys, Control C, ArcoLinux software, and then if the ArcoLinux repo is inside pacman, so here we're going to make sure that it is, that we have ArcoLinux repos and keys and all that. And here it says if you're not on Plasma, then do this. If you are on Plasma, then you do that. So why can't I put an extra line in here? Why can't I just say if you're on X sessions Cinnamon, if that file exists, meaning I've made a choice to install Cinnamon, right? Then you say, look, install some more, because I want to have this. Control C, extra. This is a difficult one, and Control V. Easy, right? Sublime text, that editor, Control Z. What I do is right mouse click and shift and have a line. I can do it at the end and write something at the end. Eric, right? Well, almost. Control Z. I can do it in the beginning, shift, left shift, right mouse click, draw a line, Control V, done. So this bit is going to be this the bit, right? So this is going to go here. I have to shift, tap this, and then tap this. Save. So that's it. I've improved my ArcoLinux-Nemesis script. If at some point in time, wherever I am, on EndeavourOS and Garudo and anything Arch, and he finds the file Cinnamon, then he will also install the nemo file role, which means nemo, right mouse click, extract, and all that. I want that option to extract. Translations, mint locale has all to do with, well, locale and translations. ISO flag is some dependency, I think, of these two or something else. GNOME terminal is the default one. Why not GNOME system monitor and GNOME screenshot with it, and then XZ, I think XZ is part. How do I know that? Is it part, yes or no? Control G. Arch Linux Cinnamon. Cinnamon Arch Wiki. There is a Cinnamon file package that's in here, and show more. X apps, yes. but not XED, so the editor of, no, it's not. So Nemo is there, but not Nemo file roller. GNOME pieces are there, but not the ones I want, right? So it depends. The content of this package changes, since Arch is always improving and changing. So we need maybe to update this in 3, 4, 5 years. But this is the situation today. If you find me a file in here, and if it exists, that file, then yeah, sure, I'm on Cinnamon and I want more to have a better Cinnamon. That's it. That's the video. That's how you improve your scripts. Cheers.